everybody for tuning in. This is footage from St. Paul, Minnesota during the 2019 MSRA Back to the 50s show. I took a road trip from Texas to Minnesota. Had a great time at this show. Over 12,000 classic vehicles. Now this video specifically, I'm going to showcase a 1957 Oldsmobile 88 optioned with the J2 tripower engine. And until then, we're going to take a stroll up to the car. And see what's going on. Do a little people watching, car watching. Hope everybody's having a good evening out there in YouTube world. Watch it, buddy. Oh, it stopped me in my tracks. Make a date with a Rocket 88. Oh, a J2. Wow. How about that color? Gorgeous. T3 headlights. Old school Lansing, Michigan license plate. I was loving that. Let's do a little more looking around. Stay with me. I'm going to show more of the olds. Really overwhelming at the Minnesota show. I highly recommend it. Hey, speaking of Oldsmobiles, here's another Rocket 88. I love these old school car club plaques. Check this thing out. It's got a tune port in it. Slick paint. It's really got the old school vibe about it though. That big aluminum radiator thing was built to drive. Go somewhere in it. Back to the olds. Tasteful pinstripe. 56 there behind the door. This T-bucket caught my eye. Was sounding good, so I had to show it. Cool couple. We're halfway through the video and we're back to the olds. Thanks for hanging in there. Check out this upholstery. Killer dash, bright work, clock. I see it's got a Wonder Bar radio in it. Look at the back glass. I love the little quarter windows. Really, they give you more visibility too. Sexy exhaust coming out the rear bumper. Check out this chopped bird. Yeah, it's got a stance on it though. Cadillac tail lights, Frenched in. Look at the exhaust coming out the bumper on it too. Kind of reminds me of a T-Bird setup, with totally custom. You got your rumble seat A. Look at this beauty. Packard. If I remember correctly, this one had a Viper engine. As crazy as that sounds. I didn't know it had a Viper engine until after the show. I was reading online and I saw the car with the hood open. I'm a sucker for 59. Listen to it. Some serious car heads up there in Minnesota. Everybody had their cool shirts on. Some throwback shirts. I bought one on an internet auction site. I don't know if I should plug them on my video.
That's cool.
From the MSRA show in the mid-90s. It's been going on for 40 years. Pretty 53 Chevy. Show more of the olds, so stick in there. We're almost done. A few more minutes. Appreciate everybody tuning in, watching Samspace81 footage. Got some great events coming up. Be sure and stick with my YouTube channel. I'm going to try some different things, some more of the same. And we're back to the olds.
Got one of them emblems on the hood of my lawnmower that you got on your fender.
We're going to wrap up the video taking a closer look at the Oldsmobile. Again, thanks everybody for watching Samspace81. Until next time.